What's up, guys? It's March 14th, 2024. Pretty interesting day. Right away, first 6 bars were very bearish. As always, we're going to talk about the first 6 bars of the day. Excuse me. First 6 bars of the day, the leg 1, leg 2 moves, and where we are in the market cycle. I'm going to try and keep these videos just around 10 minutes, so I'm going to time it this time. And I want these videos to be like not drawn out for you guys. So, yeah. Bar 1, bear bar. Bar 2, bull bar. Bar 3 is an inside bar. It's kind of like a triangle pattern, but we don't really, the pole I guess would be bullish, but that's also late in the bull trend. Leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3. The gap up kind of closed, so leg 3, pull back leg 4. Excuse me. Bears have been selling above the EMA since about midday yesterday. We have a strong breakout bar of bar 4, and it takes out a lot of these bars. However, it doesn't close below bar 72's range, so something's up. Bar 5 is good continuation, and so is bar 6, but these bars are pretty climactic, so how much... Excuse me, I got a sore throat this weekend, so I have to keep clearing my voice. I apologize. That's like 40... Oh, wait, bar 6. That's like 32 points. Pretty fast in 30 minutes. Bar 7 looks like the start of a pull. Oh, it is the start of a pullback. It's the opposite bar. Bar 8 is continuation. Bulls are buying the lows. We were trading below yesterday's low. Sometimes the market can reverse below yesterday's low. And then we get bar 9. It's a strong bull bar. I think this ends the bearish trend. What I mean by that is bulls made money after bears making money, so that's more range bound ideas. In a good bear trend, you see right here, it's a bullish bull trend right here. Bears are not making money. Bull trend right here. Bears maybe scalp this, but they ultimately, that's their one trade they had in a few hours. See right here, good bear trend. Bulls are not really making money. Maybe they buy this low, buy this low, buy that low, and they scalp out, but ideally they're not really making money. Just how they made money here, leg 1 and leg 2. This could be a leg 1, leg 2 pullback. But now we're closing above yesterday's low, which isn't too good for the bears. This red line is yesterday's low, that's yesterday's high, and that's the 50% level. So the bears broke out between yesterday's low, pulled back into the EMA. We broke below the higher time frame EMA, and we start to sell. Every time we touch the EMA, bears would get another leg lower. Bulls are buying new lows, so the market goes to the EMA, sells new low, bulls buy it. Here's a 2-legged pullback into the EMA, 2-bar reversal, new low, bulls buy it. You see all these bull bars aren't getting continuation, so it's really short the EMA for a couple points. Here the bears start to get a breakout. Maybe you call this the breakout here. This was like a range bound price action with a lot of more bearish tendencies. Because bulls were buying lows and they were making money. It's just hard. But if a bull put a limit order here, look, he made 10 points because they've seen that's the low. So, yeah, sell off into the EMA. They get 3 legs down here between bars 36. So here's a lower high on the EMA, 38, 40, leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3, pull back leg 4, and then we start to get a reversal bar, a new low of the day. Bulls have been buying new lows every day. I mean, every day. Every sell-off, bull bought a low, and then look, we sell off, make a new low, and bulls buy it, and they get a buy the close rally for about an hour. This ends up this ends up rallying to the high of the range, which is also the previous sell-off point here, the EMA. So there's some resistance. I mean, they didn't really sell off here, I guess. Hold on, let me change this. Here's the high, so they didn't really make it there, but they made it to... delete these. They kind of made it to like this area. So you see those wicks. So just around here in general. And also it was paired up with the higher time from EMA, and the fact that bears have been shorting all the EMA since yesterday midday. See, midday yesterday. Right here, 10 o'clock. Maybe like 9:30 is midday. I don't even know. So yeah, they're shorting it. I just checked the time. So yeah, they're shorting here. Here. This is the first set of gap bars into resistance, double top, leg 1, pull back, leg 2, Here's a range. This is also a range, lower high, and then bears get a sell to close. What is the opposite of a rally? Bears get a sell to close, sell off. Bulls get a buy to close, rally. Bears get a sell to close, sell. I'm being dumb right now. I don't even know. Bar 74 is an outside bar at resistance. So, oh, that's awesome. So look, how did I didn't even, I was watching the markets. I didn't even catch that. Okay, so we broke up between yesterday's low. This blue line is a projected move of yesterday's low, and it was met with bar 74. Leg 1, pullback. Leg 2, we're in a range. Bulls have been making money buying every new low. Again, they buy the new low, and they get a buy the close rally right back into the EMA. So it seems like it was a tough day if you weren't taking profits, but there were a lot of good trades, I think. Go over the leg 1, leg 2 moves, and then we're running out of time here, so I'm gonna make it quick. So this probably is what everyone's looking for, and that was met right here. See, with bar 58 is the pullback. Met down here. I don't know why I said it like that. It would you would have to really sit through a pullback if you could short the EMA and keep scaling in, but what happens when you get right here? Are you gonna hold or are you gonna get out? So yeah, leg 1, leg 2. Here's another leg 1, leg 2 move. It failed. Bulls can't close above the EMA, so it's better to trade with the trend. Here's a leg 1, leg 2 move. That's micro. 16 and 18 is the wicks, so I can put it a little bit higher. Like that, you see 16 high of 16 gets, and then you get filled on. You take profits on 18. I'm trying to go fast here, but I don't want to. If I have to go over 10 minutes, I'm gonna go over 10 minutes because I don't want to ruin the video. So here is another one. That's also met. Eventually, right here, you could take profits around these bars. So we start to get inside bars at lows, and it's a new low. So here's a look, new low, leg 1, leg 2. Oh yeah, we can measure that. I really like these. I've been looking at the markets just with my eye, like previous charts, just checking things out. And I've noticed these two-legged pullbacks happen often. Look, here's a two-legged pullback, right? Two-legged pullback. This is a range breakout above the EMA, so that could be a form of a two-legged pullback, but there's no real deep pullback here. But this is a channel because this is a pullback. Anyways, I don't know. I just started. Okay, back to the two-leg moves here. Leg 1, pullback. Leg 2, and then it goes into leg 3 and leg 4. Let's say, what about right here to right here, top of 44. That's also met with bar 48, so that's pretty tight. And we already did the breakout of that. We could probably do breakout of that. Was also met on bar 48, so it looks like a lot of measured moves lined up with bar 48, and that's why the market started to rally. Maybe we are at a new low as well, but a lot of measured moves are lining up. 3 legs down, even 4 if you count these bars. Leg 1, leg 2, leg 3, leg 4, leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3, leg 4, reversal. Where are we? Oh yeah, I'm going over 10 minutes, but I'm gonna try and make it quick. And measured moves met into the EMA. Let's see if, and then this could also be a measured move. I think would be a nice trade. Right there, you just go 1-to-1. That's met on bar 55. And then yeah, we just seen all these moves. Oops. Here, that's met. But this becomes a sell to close sell. Am I being silly right now? Here's a measured move of bar 64. Let's just measure 2R. I don't want to mess up my fib, so this is going to look a little messy, but you'll get it. So yeah, so 2R bar 6, the breakout bar 65 was met down here. I just doubled it. And then 74 becomes an outside bar after the measured move is met from the breakout of yesterday's low. That was bearish target. Leg 1, pullback leg 2, and these are becoming climactic. We can use the EMA as resistance, and then we break out above that. So, and that's met. We extend it down to the wick, and that's also met. Where are we in the market cycle? So we have the breakout. So on the 5-minute market cycle, range, market cycle resets, breakout, first pullback, first opposite bar initiates pullback phase, so we start pulling back into the EMA, and now we go into channel phase, So now the market starts channeling, and the channel phase becomes the range phase. So the market's always is in transition, and this channel phase ends here. Then we go range bound again. So here's a range, and there's the range. See, I'm gonna delete this real quick. So you see the range, how the channel became a leg in the range, and then we went up, and then we came down, break out, and we popped right back in. So although there was a lot of bearish momentum, it was range bound, and bulls were making money today. EMA looked like it was a good magnet. Bulls were trying to close above it and failed. We just passed. Okay, I'm almost done here. We were trading it at the highs of this channel. I've been calling out a lot. The daily chart's kind of looking interesting. Just eyeballing this right now, something like that. Breakout, pullback channel. That looks like it's getting respected nicely, actually. So it's getting interesting at highs. Bulls are not getting follow through. Bears are getting a continuation here. This could get interesting. Tomorrow's Friday. Bears are picking up. Every time it came to the high of the channel, it sold off. Here's a 45-minute chart. Bulls got a double bottom, and this is higher lows being put in here. So that's not too good for the bears. However, bears are closing nice bars are below the EMA now. Last time they closed, it got bought here. Oh, wait. So, no, I mean, earlier this month, I guess they had a decent amount of closes below the EMA. So they could go for some more closes now. We were trading at the high of the channel. We're at this breakout. That's this wick right here. So, yeah, it'll be interesting to see what happens. Hi, guys. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your time and your support and dropping comments. Let me know what you guys want to see. I'm going to try and keep these videos around 10, 11 minutes. I think that's just like the perfect time. I don't want to waste too many people's times. I'm still learning the markets. I appreciate your time. Have a good one, guys. Please use your stop loss. And yeah, make some money. Have a good one. I'll talk to you guys later. Appreciate it.